H.C. Verma solution. Chapter 1 Introduction to Physics. Question number 18. Test if the following equations are dimensionally correct. The equation A is H is equals to 2s cos theta divided by rho Rg. B. V is equals to root under P by rho. C. V is equals to pi P r to the power 4 t divided by 8 eta L. D. Nu is equals to 1 by 2 pi root under mgl divided by I, where H is equals to height, S is equals to surface tension, rho is equals to density, P is equals to pressure, V is equals to volume, N is equals to coefficient of viscosity, Nu is equals to frequency, and I is equals to moment of inertia. Now let's come to the equation number A. Here LHS, the dimensional formula of LHS is equals to dimension of height H is equals to L. Now dimension of right hand side, that is dimension of 2s cos theta divided by rho Rg is equals to, here 2 and cos theta are dimensionless quantity. S, the surface tension, has the dimension m t to the power minus 2 divided by this rho, density is mass per unit volume, has the dimension formula ml to the power minus 3, r has the dimension l, and g has the dimension of acceleration, that is lt to the power minus 2. On simplifying, we will get l. Here the dimension of left hand side and the dimension of right hand side are equal, hence the equation is dimensionally correct equation. Now let's come to the B number. The dimension of LHS, that is V is equals to velocity, and the dimension of velocity is Lt to the power minus 1. Also RHS, the dimension of RHS is equals to dimension of root under P divided by rho. This P is pressure. The dimension of pressure as m L to the power minus 1, this one is minus 1, T to the power minus 2 divided by the density as the dimension m L to the power minus 3, and on simplifying we will get L square T to the power minus 2 to the power 1 by 2, hence it has the dimension L T to the power minus 1. Here dimension formula for right hand side and left hand side is same, that's why it is also a dimensionally correct equation. Now let's come to the C number. The dimension of LHS is the dimension of B, that is volume. The dimension of volume is L cube. Also the dimension of RHS, that is the dimension of pi P r to the power 4 t divided by 8 eta L, is equals to, this pi is the dimensionless quantity, pressure as the dimensional formula m L to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2, r to the power 4 as the dimension L to the power 4, and t has the dimension capital T. It is dimensionless constant, dimensionless number, and eta is the coefficient of viscosity, which has the dimension formula of m L to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 1, L has the dimension L. On simplifying, we will get m L cube t to the power minus 1 divided by m t to the power minus 1, and finally we will get L cube. Here the dimensional formula of RHS and LHS is same, that's why it is also dimensionally correct equation. Now let's come to the last equation. Nu is equals to 1 by 2 pi root under mgl divided by I. Now let's find out the dimension of LHS. Dimension of this frequency is t to the power minus 1. Again, also the right hand side quantity 1 by 2 pi root under mgl divided by 2 pi is the dimensionless constant, and m has the dimension m, g has the dimension of acceleration L t to the power minus 2, L has the dimension L, and this I is the moment of inertia, which has the dimension formula ml square, and it has the root, that's why we have to give the power 1 by 2. It will become ml square t to the power minus 2 divided by ml square to the power 1 by 2. On simplifying, we will get t to the power minus 1. Again, the dimension of right hand side and left hand side is same, that's why it is also the dimensionally correct equation.